Kung malupit na mid-range phone ang hanap nyo, this is a solid option from Poco. This is the Poco X7 Pro at yung hawak ko specifically is the Iron Man edition nila at sobrang panalo ng performance at features ng device na to. Naka-Dimensity 8400 ang Poco X7 Pro. Kaya naman when it comes to price to performance, I don't think mabitin kayo sa phone na to, but you might be wondering, how does it handle games? We're happy to report na sobrang smooth ang gaming performance ng Poco X7 Pro. Genshin Impact actually defaulted to high settings, which we don't often see sa mga mid-range devices, and you can see that it performs super smoothly in the B-roll that we got for you guys. And if you play Wuthering Waves, which I know demands more from smartphones, smooth din ang performance sa title na to. And I was actually very impressed to see it running this good kahit na parang ang dami ng sumasabog na effects on screen. As far as temps are concerned, well, di na kailangan maging concerned kasi maganda ang thermal management ng device na to. And it's just so much better than the X6 Pro. Actually, after a 4-hour-long gaming session with Genshin Impact, it got a little warm, pero again, little warm lang. Very, very tolerable.